caramelized onion risotto, vegan and low sodium. Let's go. So in a large pot, I have a little knob of vegan butter. We're going to add 2 yellow onions that I already sliced. And then when it's done caramelizing, we're going to take it out, set it aside, but we're still going to use this pot because look at all that flavor. Add a little olive oil, 2 cups of rice. Just kind of toast that down for a couple of minutes. And then while that's going on another burner, we have 2 quarts of low sodium vegetable broth that we're going to bring up to heat to medium. We want it hot. So when the rice is done toasty woasty, we're going to take a little of this. We're going to put it in there and then we're going to stir it up and really make sure we get all those onion flavorful bits from the bottom, right? And then once that starts to evaporate out, we're going to add a little bit more. We're going to just a ladle at a time, basically, until we don't have any more of the vegetable broth left and our rice is nice and tender. And what we're doing when we're stirring is we're getting all the starches from the rice to make this nice creamy sauce. And then when it's about done, we're going to add another knob of vegan butter, a couple teaspoons of some Follow Your Heart vegan parm, a little black pepper, a little garlic powder, add our caramelized onions back. And oh my God, I did this with my vegan crockpot beans that are low sodium and it's so good, you guys. 10 out of 10, full written recipe as per usual. Will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Just it sat for a little bit, but look at just how creamy, easy peasy.
Ooh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning to the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.